aspect, the benchmark you need to do. Benchmark with your competitor, okay, and benchmark it can be with respect to the material benchmark. What is your how your competitor is going to use the material, and what is the technological benchmark they have. Technology, if you have technology, those things also you can do benchmark, and you should also get their process benchmark also, like how you do, are they doing the same process, or how they are optimizing, or in this way also you can do the benchmark.
Sir, for benchmark, one thing that comes to mind is, for benchmark, if they have to, if we have to check with them, they should also have the same approach towards quality and other aspects of the product.
Yes, yeah, even the quality benchmark is also important. Yes, quality and benchmark, even everything comes here. The performance and those things also important. And at what cost? Is cost benchmark is important. Ultimately, the cost benchmark is also important. Cost, at what cost they are going to give, your competitor is going to give. Okay. So even if their manufacturing cost is going to be 180, okay, whereas your cost is going to be 194, then you have a very huge gap for you to look at the way. And again, if the same thing, like if their quality percentage or their defects is going to be higher than if it is higher, where they're not going to meet the PPM target or the Six Sigma level, and whereas if you are going to achieve, then again you cannot take this 180 rupees as your benchmark. Even everything matters here. And again, if what is their technology and what is your technology and what is their material, sometimes what happens, the material is going to have different percentage of composition, like carbon, steel, silicon, or phosphorus, magnesium. It is going to have different composition. So can you reduce some of the percentage to so that your raw material cost can come down? So you can have your various aspects in this angle as well.
Yes.
And the process benchmark, design benchmark also you can have, like even if in case any designers are there, even also you can.
So where can you capture your service after you sell? But suppose you are selling your product and you also render technological support. So how do you capture that?
Okay, when it comes to service, it is basically like it is like uh, service and maintenance basically, like no, it is not a kind of maintenance, like when it comes to service, it's basically after you sell the product. It's like warranty kind of thing you are telling.
Not warranty, sir. For example, I will enable my customer to utilize my product or my goods in a efficient manner by giving them the technological support uh, and helping them in using this product. So that way, I want to give them the service.
Maybe here you can take the benchmark with respect to customer rating. What is your rating and what is your competitor rating? So in the rate of 10, so you may get 8 points, okay, and your competitor may get 7, okay. If in that case, and what, see again, this rating is going to be it is going to be a variation one. Like, see, it is not going to be even every time. Okay, so it will also vary with respect to month or year to year. So, and again, it also varies with respect to, see, what they may be rating as 7, and sometimes if they feel that the quality is very poor, and similarly they may rate 10 when they feel that cost is 180, right? Whereas your cost is 194. Okay, but again, this rating, what I was telling is, it is going to be fluctuating one. It is going to be fluctuation, and again, the customer mindset is also going to be different, right? It may not be, it will not be same. They're not going to perceive the things similarly, and similarly. Say for example, when you rate your supplier, you are not going to rate the supplier similarly. Supplier 1, supplier 2, supplier 3, and supplier 4. So you may be rating the supplier 1 as best the 1 year. After 2-3 years, you may shift your eye towards supplier 3. So this is the perception, and again, this is where it comes into picture. And when it comes to service, um, I am not sure how your product is going to service level, but when it comes to some of the products, um, like say for example, the automobile service activities, like so in case of any failure, or in case of any defects that the vehicle is going to happen during the running in, so they come for repairing activities, right?
Yes.
But here in Jamiper thing, I am not sure. I'm not able to correlate with respect to service point of view. Can you give
When I
some?
say service, yeah, when I say service, it's not a regular one, like you go and do the service. What I mean to say is, if there is any issue regarding the product, so how quickly you attend to that, and how quickly you give the customer the comfort in terms of resolving the issue. That's what I
Okay,
mean.
yeah, that is fine. When there is any issue, it is going to be a quality issue, right? That is going to be a defects kind of thing. And again, that is going to be that is that. See here, if I understood correctly, if there is any issue, then it is not going to be a service; it is going to be a quality issue.
Okay.
So here, in your case, it is going to be a quality. And again, any defect is again going to be a part of quality.
Mm-hmm.
And again, yeah, in your case, you would have got out of some batches, some percentage is acceptable. But again, uh, who is going to pay the money for the quality loss? Like, say, for example, if any defects, your customer is not going to give you the money, right, for quality defects. So you are going to pay money. So how best you are going to control it? But again, if you supply the defect product to your customer, if you supply, say for example, for one batch, say for example, regularly for 1 month, if you have any quality issues, okay, then that again, that will be a big loss for you because your customer would also, like JSW or Tata Steel, would have also done some processing with your
Yeah.
defect material, and
Correct.
in addition to this, they will also put the penalty also sometimes. If I understood wrong, if I'm correct, they may also, but I do not know. It depends on the agreement what you have with your customer and what your supplier is going to have with you. Suppose if your supplier is going to give you the defect material, and with that defect material, if you manufacture and if you come up with some of the things, and that's why even you also have the quality, incoming quality, right, where you test it, where you also do some of the visual inspection, where you also do some of the material testing. So those things also very much important. That's where the quality, incoming quality, they also test the dimensions. They also check the dimensions. They also check is there any corrosion or any internal defects. Visually, they check it, and also they also check it in many aspects with
Mhm.
respect to incoming quality, and also the process. Even during the process, also they look at the dimensions. They look at the defect free thing even during the process, and even before the dispatch also they will ensure it, the quality is going to be there within the dimensions. Then only your supply is going to give to you, then only you are going to give to your customer. It means you are also ensuring that you are towards the Six Sigma limit, where you have less ppm, very means very you are going to have very less defects, which is very negligible. uh, that's why you need to look for design for Six Sigma. You should always look for Six Sigma products in your line, where you can improve uh, the, the the quality, means improve the quality. So this quality should be again a continuous thing, where you need to have the audit continuous thing, and those things also need to be the part of this benchmark.
Yeah.
You can have many aspects, like even when